Hi friends, I am Naik sir. I welcome you to this online class. Today I am going to teach grammar part that is called passive voice. According to our syllabus, that is a fourth in it. In grammar workbook, fourth in it. A passive voice will discuss tomorrow's class. Before that, I have to discuss with you a of basic knowledge of from active to passive, how to make a from active to passive voices. And one more thing, I have given a chart to you people. If you go according to like this chart, you can easily understand. See, the passive voice will make not from the all tenses. All means all 12 tenses. Not from the all 12 tenses. Only from 8 tenses you can make a passive voice. See, I will tell you one thing. First one is present, simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, simple fast tense, fast continuous tense, fast perfect tense, simple future tense, future perfect tense, and modal base verb. So in that tenses only we can make a passive voice. See in this chart, just look at tenses, active voice, passive voice. Here I have given only main verb, helping verb and main verb. Along with that, just add it subject and object, again it become a sentences. See, in simple present tense, write, writes. That is active voice. In passive voice, is written or written. See, how means, I will tell you, see, write, written, how they changes means, see the main verb chart. If you see the main verb chart, write, wrote, written. See, while making passive, that main verb chart third form, that is called a past participle tense word should be bring. Whoever there in the active verb, whether it is present tense or past tense. But while making passive, past participle tense word should be bring. Then only it become a correct. Okay. See, one thing I will tell you. I will give one example. See, for example, see, active voice in simple present tense, I write a letter. I write a letter. See, I write a letter. See, you have to make a divide. See, 1, 2, 3 means partition. Make part. When you make part, see, first part, second part, third part. First part is called a subject. Second part is called a main verb. Third part is called a object. Okay. Likewise, see, and then I will give one arrow mark to you people. See, if you go like this, see, arrow mark. See, this is called a active, this is called a passive. Means the active words from left to right, passive words from right to left. Very simple. Likewise, if you go like that, then it become a right. See, I write a letter. So that is object. Which one is a letter? That you should bring in a subject in passive voice. A letter. Okay. Here we have not shown any helping verse. But while making passive, you must bring a helping verse. See, according to singular, plural of the subject. It is a singular. Singular means is. Okay. Then write, change into past participle tense. That is third form of main verb. See, write, wrote, written, already I given. See, strong verb, weak verb, I have given a few examples. See, write, wrote, written, go, went, gone, built, see, saw, seen. Then weak verb, looked, liked, encouraged. See, this few example I had given here. Just according to like that, you make it a, then it become a right. Just showing for you. Letter is write, wrote, written. Okay, a letter is written by me. See, here in the actives, I is called a subject, but that first persons while making passive, it become a in object place. Then it become a me. Likewise. See, the second one, present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, see, active words, active voice, I am writing, is writing, are writing. Means I am writing a letter, he is writing a letter, you are writing a letter. In passive voice, how to make like this? See, a letter is being written by me. Letters are being written by me. Simple way. See, I'll give one example. I'll show you. Don't worry. See, active voice. See, I am writing a letter. Again, you have to make part. See, like this, you have to make partitions of that all words. First was subject. Here become a helping verb. Then main verb. Last one is object. Okay. See, the passive voice, how to make the see object word, which one is that? A letter. A letter. Okay. Then here helping verb is there, that is am. Am is always comes with a first person I, but here in passive a letter is a third form, third person. So third form, which is third means is a letter is. Then see, writing here, writing means never say that verb should goes in the third form, ppt means past participle tense, that comes in written. So then what is left there? Ing. So we never left that ing. That also we should add. How to add? See, be is always there. So being, being, then write, written by me. Likewise. Okay, a letter is being written by me. See here, a letter is being written by me. Likewise. Okay, then present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, how to make present perfect tense? See, I will show you here. Have written, has written means has written. I have written a letter, he has written a letter. That is active voice. Then how to make passive? See, a letter have been, a letter has been written. Letters have been written, like that. When comes a plural, then you bring a have in instead of that as first person. I'll give here active voice. See, I have written a letter. In passive voice, see, again you have to make partition. See, subject, helping verb, main verb, object. See, like that. So object, which one is? A letter. Okay. Then helping verb. Helping verb already have there. Have is there. So have we never comes because it is singular. Singular means has instead of have, has, because it is singular. I instead of I, that have will come. But here in third form, in third persons, letter. Letter means a singular. Singular has. So has already it is also past tense. Then been written by me. Okay, a letter has been written by me. See, active sentence what? I have written a letter. So then passive voice, a letter has been written by me. Okay, so see, then simple past tense. Simple past tense, I will tell you simple past tense. simple fast tense. See, simple fast tense means what is given in active words. Active wise wrote. Wrote means I wrote a letter. Here in passive voice was written, were written means a letter was written by me. Letters were written by me. See, likewise. See, example, I will tell you that. See, example, simple fast tense examples. I wrote a letter. Okay, again you have to make divide. Three parts: subject, main verb, object. See, passive. Object which one is a letter. So letter you bring in subject place. Letter. Okay. Then wrote. Here we have not shown any helping verb, but it is a fast tense. So then we must show a helping verb. According to fast tense, what will come? It is a singular. Then was. Wrote. Written by me. Any one person. You can make it. Doesn't matter. You can write. See, likewise. I wrote a letter. The passive voice, a letter was written by me. Likewise, you make it. Then past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. See, in the active columns there, in the active voice column, there was writing. Means I was writing a letter. You were writing a letter. That is active columns. In the passive columns, how to make become a passive means, see, a letter was being written by me. Letters were being written by me. Likewise, example I will give you. See, examples. Fast continuous tense example. Fast continuous tense example. See, I was writing a letter. Again, you have to make partition all the words. See, subject, helping verb, main verb, object. See, in passive, while making passive, which one will bring it first? Object. Which one is object word? A letter. See, a letter. Okay. Was. Singular, singular. Okay, no problem. Was. Then, see, already I told you in present continuous tense. See, the main verb comes into in third form, that is called a PPT. Then what they left ing. So we never left the ing. That also we add. How to add? Being written by me. Okay, I was writing a letter. That active sentence. The passive sentence, a letter was being written by me. Okay. Then the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense, what it is? Had written. Means I had written a letter. In passive voice, a letter had been written by me. Very simple. Already I have discussed present perfect. The same thing. See, I'll give one example. Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense examples is I had written a letter. And then passive voice, how to make passive? See, already don't forget while making partitions of that active words. See, subject, helping verb, main verb, object. Okay. See, when you make like these partitions, then we can easily make a passive sentence. See, so in active, which one is the object word? A letter. See, a letter. Had, no change. Then already fast tense. So then fast tense means what to bring? Been. Then written by me. See, I had written a letter. That is active sentence. That sentence you make in passive. How to make in passive means a letter had been written by me. See, likewise. Then go to simple future tense. Simple future tense. See, likewise, will write, shall write. And that is active voice sentence. See, I will write a letter. Uh, he shall write a letter. See, then in passive sentence, a letter will be written by me. Uh, letter uh, shall be written by him. See, whatever the pronoun we can see. I'll give you one example. See here, the simple future tense, active. See, active voice, simple future tense, active sentence. I will write a letter. Passive sentence. See, already see make partitions again. Subject, helping verb, main verb, object. See which one is object or a letter. See that. Then will same helping verb. Again write. See that right main verb should make in PPT means main verb third form. Then we have to bring a support to make a PPT. Which one is B? Then written by me. See, I will write a letter in passive voice. A letter will be written by me. See, okay, understood now? Likewise. Then future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Future perfect tense, see here in future perfect tense, very simple. In active voice, see, I will have written a letter. I will have a written letter. He shall have written a letter. Okay. In passive, while making passive the same sentence, see, a letter will have been written by me. Letter shall have been written by me. Likewise, for example, I will tell you. See, future perfect tense, active words. See, active voice, active voice. See, I will have written a letter, or I would have written a letter instead of will would. I would have written a letter. See, in passive, while making passive, see, again you have to make divided third form. See, subject, helping verb, subject, helping verb, main verb, and object. See, which one is object? A letter. That you bring first in passive. That is also, see, say helping verb same. Would. Have. Here also past tense. Then have been written by me. A letter would have been written by me. Likewise, you have to make it. See, then last one I will tell you, model based sentences. Sometimes that is a model based verb. Which one is can, could. These are called a ought to. See, these are called a model verbs. So model helping verbs. So that's why I have given one more example of the model base verbs. See, model base can write, ought to write means I can write a letter, I ought to write a letter. See, then same thing, letter can be written by me, letter ought to be written by me, same thing. See, I given examples here, the model base sentence, active voice. See, I can write a letter, passive. So again you have to make divided the word, subject, helping verb, main verb, object. Okay. See, in active sentence, which one is object? A letter. A letter you bring in first in subject place. Okay. Then can same. So write, wrote, written. While making PPT of the main verb, then you have to bring a support verb. Which one is be? Then it become a written by me. See, likewise, I think you have enjoyed to listening this online class, and you have understood whatever I taught today about active voice and passive voice along with a chart. I explained to you people. Suppose if you have any doubt, any problems, you can directly call me. I'll explain to you. Uh, I hope you people all have understood. Even though, is there any queries, you call me directly and discuss with me. I will make clarifications. Okay, and then tomorrow I will discuss about passive voice, how they will ask in question. Uh, how they will ask a passive voice question, that I will be discussed tomorrow, means next class. Okay, thank you one and all.